My name is Clay Hartman. I'm the project engineer for UCOR Waste Operations. I've been in this job since June of 2018, so this is going into my 6th year here, and it's been a continual learning curve because my early career was in manufacturing and design projects at power plants. So this whole demolition projects and transporting waste has been a lot of new learning for me, and it seems like every day or every week or so we run into something new and different that keeps things interesting. Just one of those jobs you never really know what's going to happen. Here at the EMWMF landfill is the on-site disposal for the low-level hazardous materials that are demolished from UCOR projects that cannot be disposed in a commercial industrial landfill. Here at this facility, I think in my time here, we've seen as many as 130, 140 trucks per day that come from our different demolition projects across the reservation. A whole lot of civil and environmental related projects, but also taking care of some of our equipment here gets into some mechanical and electrical design scope. It's a mixed bag of work, but it's been a lot of fun. I've enjoyed my time here. I'm part of a family of 3. My wife Brooke, my son Jacob. So we've been Knoxvillians for a long time. Our son's a senior in high school, so we are preparing to enjoy senior year stuff with him and send him off to college, become empty nesters ourselves. So we're kind of in that age and stage of life. In our free time, we enjoy a lot of outdoor activities. We camp, we hike. We're involved in our church. Jacob and I have been involved in Scouts. In my free time, I dabble in music and some model trains and whatever might catch my interest.